Will somebody please grab a calendar and tell me what time of the year it is? Seriously, folks, waking up, the temperature is much below average with a wind chill in the single digits and teens. Not feeling quite spring-like today. Good morning, South Jersey. It's weather time. And looking at yesterday's high temperature of 50 degrees, I know what you're saying. It didn't feel like that, and you're absolutely right. This came in at midnight, but regardless what time of the day the high is, we have to put it up on this map. Our official high throughout the day, though, or unofficial, I should say, we were in the mid to upper 40s. I think the highest I could find was about 45 degrees, so a quite significant step back from highs on your Saturday. High pressure and control today, lots of sunshine with a northwesterly flow of air. It will be cold, feeling a lot more like January than mid to late March. Take a look at our weather headlines. The cold, yes, it will be king through the remainder of today and tomorrow, even going into your Wednesday, as temperatures are in the 30s and low 40s. A coastal low will develop out over the Gulf, head up the East Coast, and give us a shot of rain, snow, and windy weather. Accumulations are looking on the lighter side, perhaps 1 to 3 inches, and I'll touch upon that in just a couple moments. But wait, stop what you're doing. I have some good news, a silver lining, so to say. Temperatures will be progressively warmer after Wednesday. We're talking Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, getting back up above normal. Here's our storm factors for Tuesday. Here's our intense low that will be riding up the coast. It will meet up with northern branch energy to the west, which will actually give us a chance of some rain and snow earlier on your Tuesday, and we will not see any accumulations from that. That is not the main event. It is when these two meet up, go out back, talk a little bit, and phase together, merging into a superstorm, so to say, into a blizzard, especially by the time it heads up to Atlantic Canada, into a big sub 970 millibar low. Intense this is going to be, folks. It undergoes a process known as bombogenesis, which in layman's terms, it gets really strong really fast. Fortunately for us, the main event is going to be well off of the East Coast, not really affecting us in South Jersey. But if you live up here, blizzard watches already in effect for eastern Maine and Halifax. So lots of crazy weather going on up there. Your Tuesday forecast, 37 to 39, rain and snow mix early, and then snow showers redevelop after the dinner hour. We start the day off with a southeasterly breeze transitioning towards the northeast, 15 to 20 miles an hour, gusting up to 30 and 45 miles an hour at times. So we will see windy weather right here in our backyard. Tomorrow, waking up by 8 o'clock, we should start to see some light rain shower activity out to the west. 11, 12, 1 o'clock starts to move into our neck of the woods. And we will see periods of rain mixed with some snow. No accumulations expected at all, as temperatures will be above the freezing point. But by 8 o'clock, that's when we start to see that transition over to snow, a couple heavier showers at times, and more or less 1 to 3 inches, maybe a little bit more if that low jogs back west just a little bit. So something to keep an eye on, but I think a general light event for most of us, especially on the grassy surfaces and on your cars. Those will be the victims with this storm. So the victims of the blizzard, again, up towards Halifax, 12 to 18 inches, down towards Boston, maybe 6 to a foot. New York City, the east end of the city, maybe 3 to 6 inches. So not a major event for New York, points south and west, but nonetheless quite significant to see snow this late in the season. 2.4 inches officially the record for this day in March in Atlantic City. Could we challenge that for the March record? Well, we'll have to wait and see. Stay connected to the entire NBC 40 weather team away from your TV. Visit myself, it's Nor'easter Nick on Facebook, and Pittman40 on Twitter, and you can drop me an email. It's npittman@nbc40.net. We can talk about the weather, and I'm sure the same holds true for Dan Skeldon and Adam Wright. Your South Jersey 7-day forecast. After we get the storm out of here early morning Wednesday, we do see some afternoon clearing. 38 to maybe 40 degrees. Thursday, 45. Friday and Saturday for the weekend looking unsettled. Temperatures back up to near 60. Sunday cooling down a bit to 53 as a cold front comes through. But looking long term past this 7-day, it does look like April will start off nice and warm. Thanks for logging on to NBC 40's Weather on the Web. Have a great day, everyone.